In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to access your Safari history on iOS 26. First, launch your Safari browser. Now at the bottom, you're going to find three dots, click on that. Here you're going to find the option of bookmarks, click on that. Under this, you're going to find different tab, book, likewise glass kind of icon and clock icon. Click on the clock icon. This will show you your browsing history. If you want to delete an item, simply swipe to the left, click on the option delete. If you want to clear all of these at once, click on three dots, select the option clear. Now select the time frame. Likewise, if you want to close all tabs, enable for this option and click on clear history. This way your browsing history will be deleted. In case you are unable to delete these, what you want to do is launch settings, go to screen time, click on content and privacy restrictions, click on the option App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now click on the option Web Content and set it to unrestricted. If it asks for a screen time passcode, you will need to enter it. If you have forgotten your passcode, you can reset it by going back to screen time settings. Once you have adjusted these settings, go back to Safari and you should be able to delete your history without any issues. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.